As we all know, COVID-19 pandemic has a profound impact on our lives and the way we approach healthcare. But what many people may not realize is that IoT has played a critical role in this fight. Hello everyone, welcome to IoT Frontier. My name is Hariharnan and in this video we'll explore various ways IoT has helped healthcare professionals respond to the pandemic. From remote patient monitoring and vaccine cold chain management, we'll see how IoT has been a game changer. So, are you ready to see how IoT has revolutionized healthcare in the fight against COVID 19? If you are, then let's get started. But before we dive into the content, I want to remind you to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any video. And if you are enjoying the content, please like this video to show your support. Let's get into the presentation. Here we will be discussing 4 IoT applications which has created an impact in fighting COVID-19 pandemic. So remote patient monitoring. Many IoT enabled medical devices such as smart heart rate monitors, glucose monitors, etc. are used to remotely track and monitor patients' vital signs, allowing healthcare professionals to provide assessment and recommendations from a different location while reducing the risk of transmission. Under the vaccine cold chain monitoring, we can see IoT devices such as temperature sensors and GPS tracking are used to monitor the temperature of vaccines as they are transported, ensuring they remain at the right temperature and providing the efficacy. One example is Electronic Vaccine Intelligent Network, EVIN. So it is IoT enabled mobile based technology, so which was developed by UNDP and Indian government. It provides real-time logistics management across vaccine cold chain. This app connected to the IoT sensors. It is placed on the vaccine and it tracks the location, temperature, and stock levels of the vaccine, ensuring that the supply is safe and reliable. The adoption of EVIN in India has ensured in the reduction of vaccine stockouts by 80%. So now we look into the healthcare management. So healthcare management, so here we are looking into hospital beds management. So hospital beds management comes into picture where we put sensors and the hospital beds become a smart beds, which are used to monitor uh, the beds vacancy. And based on that, we allow healthcare professionals to seamlessly identify the beds availability and manage bed utilization more effectively. So coming to the healthcare delivery drones. So the drones were equipped with IoT technology and which are used to deliver essential medical supplies and medicines to remote and hard to reach areas, which also reduces the risk of exposure for healthcare professionals and speeding up the delivery process. So one example is Zipline. So Zipline was a company which enabled drones to deliver vital medical supplies to rural health centers in Rwanda and Ghana. And that's it for today's video on the impact of IoT on the fight against COVID 19 in the healthcare sector. I hope you found this video informative and enlightening. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss any video. In the upcoming video, we'll look into various trends of IoT to keep an eye on. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.